So just a refresher, when you are adding or subtracting like radicals, first of all, there should be a plus or a minus in between each radical, and you want the number underneath the radical. So what's underneath needs to be the same if you're actually going to do anything. In addition to all of that, if you have a radical with nothing underneath it, you need to know to put a 1. So number 1, are the numbers under your radical the same? Yes, they are. So you drop it down and you do the operation on the outside. So you have 1 plus 7, which is 8. So your answer is 8 radical 5. Number 2, you're subtracting. Are the numbers under the radical the same? Yes, they are. So you are going to drop that down. I'm going to bring it to the side so there's room. Now you have negative 2 minus 2, which is not 0. If you're $2 in debt and you get another $2 in debt, you are now negative $4 in debt. Number 3, negative 6 root 7 plus 6 root 7. Are the numbers under the radical the same? It is. So you're going to drop your root 7. Remember, you never touch this number. It never changes. What is here will always be there. If you add them, if you multiply them, you are wrong, because this is addition and subtraction. You never, ever, ever touch what's under the radical. You have negative 6 on the outside and a positive 6. What's negative 6 plus 6? 0. What's anything times 0? 0. So your answer is 0. Number 4. Are the numbers under the radical the same? It is. And again, you never touch what's under the radical when you're adding or subtracting. So you drop it down. You have 2 plus 7, which is 9. And last but not least, you have 5 root 7 minus 3 root 3. Are the numbers under the radical the same? They are not, so you cannot do anything. You just drop down what is already there. I'm going to erase this quick. We're going to do 3 more together, and then you're going to have 3 graded. Looking at number 6, are the numbers under your radical the same? Yes, they are, so drop it down. You have 7 minus 9, which is negative 2. Next up, when you have a radical but no number in front of it, what goes there? A 1. Are the numbers under the radical the same? No, they are not. So just drop down what was already there. You do not need the 1. If you put it, I'm not going to be a hater. All right, the last one we're doing together. Oh, that's not right. Hold on. This was supposed to be... All right, when you have a radical, like in number 7, when there's nothing outside of it, what number do you have to put there? A 1. So now, are the numbers under your radical the same? Yes, they are. Drop it down. You have 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. And number 8. You have numbers under your radical that are not the same, so what do you have to do? Drop it down how it is. All right, the next 5 problems you're going to do on your own, and they are going to be graded. And I will write them in a darker color so you can see them better. I'm actually going to give you guys one more. You're going to do 6 problems. All right,